I probably sound like Smiggle. Anyway, so hello, good morning. So today I'm gonna try to, well, not try, because I have done this before. I'm gonna record or I'm gonna show you guys how to change the turn signals on a CFMOTO 300. I have a 2024 CFMOTO 300NK. She's under just 1,000 miles. Unfortunately for me, but this is very normal. I have dropped my bike multiple times, and I had to change my turn signals last time because one of them started working. So I had to change the one of the OEMs one to off brand, and then here we are again. I dropped my bike again, and now I have to replace both of them actually instead of just one. Um, I'm gonna record the process of taking off the fender, the wiring, the stuff that you may need, and putting it all back together. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. So I had already purchased the turn signals, so these are the ones I got from Amazon. They're all universal fit. It's just about um connecting these cables to the cables in the bike, do some electrical shady looking thing. And you're also gonna need these. These are heated shrinking tubing. Um, that you're gonna put over the cables you just twisted together to protect it from the weather and from short circuiting. Um, Also, you're gonna need a lighter for some form of heat. If you're a girl, maybe you could use your hair dryer in the hot setting, but that will take like longer, so just use a lighter. And just an FYI, I am a girl, and for those who watch my videos, you will notice that I do or resolve things the girl way. So, like, you might see me use a drill, like a hammer, or anything that any girl will relate to just get a job done. So don't judge me too hard. Or if it bothers you, you're also welcome to come do it for me or provide suggestions to how to do it better than my girl way. Thank you. All right, let's stop talking so much crap and let's get this going. Okay, so we have the fender right here. Ignore this. I try to glue it back on because I got lazy. Change it, but then I dropped it the other way. So we have to take the fender from here. Um, there are some pins I use down on the other side too. Um, you're just gonna have to like pop out like that. Do not do this if you don't trust your nail tech. And so this is what I did last time. So this is here and here. This part of this cable is part of the original cabling. These two separate ones are from the bike, the new lights I installed. Oh, weird. Anyway, so now I'm gonna unscrew this What I could do is either cut it here again and try to reconnect it right here, and it'll be like easier. You just have to take out this pin. Hold on, let me see if I can do it one hand. I'm not gonna be able to do one handed real quick, but I'm just pushing my nail underneath to release the pin. And that's it. So I went ahead and cut where I had unite them before. So I didn't have to strip much of a cable, but I'm still gonna have to cut some of this plastic. So either you could do it with scissors, or you could get a wire stripper, a stripper wire to do this. And over here I'm just gonna have to unscrew this, and that's it. If you like my content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also let me know if you like these type of videos, to like kind of doing things to my bike. I don't really see videos about how to do stuff with my bike, so I kind of just breaking things as I go to figure it out. And look how horrible this looks like. It's just full of fucking glue from me being lazy. Don't be lazy. Always do it right the first time, because if not, you're gonna have to work double. So I'm using a 9x16 wrench to unscrew the bolt that is in here. I think most of these lights are the same, or like the same bolt. After you loosen it up, you just gonna twist it, take it out, and take it out, and there you go. And you have a hole. The new lights already come with a bolt. But what you could do is keep the spacer and the washer spacers to put it back. And I'm only gonna say this once. It is easier to do off the fender than it is to do with the fender. So these cables are green and yellow, turquoise and yellow, and these are black and red. So I'll just go light color to light color, red to yellow, and black to the turquoise. So we're gonna cut this T-piece and try to strip the wire as best as we can. So we're gonna just go like this. I just like don't cut it all the way. Don't do what I did. I just cut it all the way. So he's gonna take that tip off. And then press gently the scissors and this something. My brother was making fun of me. He's like, Kim, you're always changing doing shit to your bike. And I'm like, yeah, I like being different. And then he's like, oh, you a matcha, like, you would do that? I'm like, yeah, I don't got a man to do it for me, so I gotta do it myself until that man arrives. Until then, Timothy is the only one that I get to annoy. So I'm just trying to do the red one real quick. So now that I kind of broke it there, I'm just twisting the rest of it to just go like pull it out. Yeah, I'm just gonna no trim. So this is where the shrinking tubing comes in. So we're gonna this is like a variety pack. So you can just get one of the thinnest ones. Just kind of cut a piece. You don't need that much anyway. It's just realized I was still recording. Oops. Okay, so you're gonna put the shrinking tubing on your light. Okay, so we're just gonna twist here. Of course, if you don't have nails, this will be 10 times easier, but I'm like, if you're a nurse, it's gonna be easy for you because it requires fine motor skills. You know, all those IVs you put, even if you suck that IV, that's okay. You can still do it too. And the one thing I will say that having nails help. They're like no tweezers. So now that you got that shit twisted in there, you're gonna just slide on your shrinking tubing. Without burning yourself first. And that's it. You got one done. Now you gotta do the other side. This one. Touch it. Tantealo to make sure it's like on there. It's probably be easier you did it like in a table. But so now you have your two cables. You can plug it in without screwing it to the conveyor. You can plug it in, turn on the bike, and see if it works. And if it don't, you gotta undo it and try to do all over again. Okay, so I just went ahead and plugged it in back in. The bike is on. I'm just gonna turn on the hazards to see if it does it. Ooh, look at that. We work. This is other like is looking like, yeah. Let's change that. So now we're gonna put it back. Realign it the right way. Last time I did this took me like 2 days. Because I couldn't find videos on how to do this. And I was like, alright, I'm gonna take my time with one. And then I'll do the other one. So now I'm just like tightening it in place. Mind you, I stayed until like the dark. My mom is a witness of my impatience. Wait a minute, I'm missing something. I have forgotten to put the spacer. No, you gotta re-screw it back in. Sad. I got frustrated and stabbed myself in the face with a scissor. But here we are. I already installed the other light on the bike. So forgot to record because I got frustrated. And now I'm doing the right one. And then I'll show you how to push it back in. I broke some clips. I heard here. Oh my god. She broke the clips. Just gotta shove it. That's all you, the best explanation I got. You just gotta push it in. I already plugged it in over here. Se está poniendo de mañana. Siempre que hablo contigo. I broke the clip up here. And yeah, I don't have the securing thing there because I lost it. And there you go.